comes in. Right now, southwest winds around 15 miles an hour. Gusts over 20 are possible through the day. It's still in the 30s in Hopkins. It's 42 degrees downtown. So what that means is it's going to feel a little colder because of the wind. You saw in some of the cameras too. Notice our Madison camera and areas east have a little bit more cloud cover, some lake effect clouds. The rest of us have a lot of sunshine out there, but with the wind, it feels below freezing still in Cleveland. It feels like 33 in Lorain, Akron, below freezing in Canton, 38 right now in New Philly. Winds aren't as strong over there. So hour by hour, as we head through the afternoon in Cleveland, we are expecting lots of sunshine. Temperatures are going to approach that 50-degree mark. We'll get a little bit more of a westerly wind this afternoon, but notice it'll cut you a little bit. It'll feel a little cold when the wind does gust, and I'm going to show you the wind gust tracker here hour by hour in just a moment. But across the board, your late day temperatures here, again, we'll have a few 50s, a lot more 50s than we've seen all week long, especially out west from Sandusky to Norwalk, and then further inland, Millersburg, Dover, Carrollton, just shy of that 50-degree mark. Same goes along the lakeshore. So we are tracking another system for the weekend that could impact some of your weekend plans. Coming up here, I'm going to time the rain for you hour by hour, but ahead of that rain, we're going to see some 60-degree temperatures back on the board. Lots of ups and downs in the 7-day. I'll let you know how cold and how warm it's going to get again when I show you the 7-day here in a few minutes. So yeah, I would love another look at the lake because I wanted to show you how big the waves were here, because wind is another big story today, but the difference is it's windy, it's still cooler, but we got the sunshine out there, and that definitely helps. There's a few peaks yesterday, but overall we're going to be trending gradually warmer. Today we'll be near 50 degrees. We'll have the wind around, and then this weekend we're warming back into the 50s and near 60s, but it's short-lived because that'll come with our next system, bringing widespread rain. Late day Saturday into early Sunday, there could be some leftover stuff, and then we'll have to consider the lake effect. I'm out of breath from running over here. All right, wind gust tracker, let me show you. Not as windy as yesterday, but these are still some pretty good gusts, close to 30 miles an hour through the afternoon. We finally get a break from the winds. Overnight into tomorrow, they'll start to calm down a little bit, which means it'll be nicer. We'll be back in the low 50s, and it won't feel as cold when the wind hits you there. So again, we're watching some lake clouds that are mainly east right now. We saw a few of them in the Conneaut camera. Our Madison camera also showed a good view of those. But overall, we've got just lake effect lingering. We're seeing that cut off because the winds are changing direction. We have more of a southwest wind, but we're quiet for the next couple of days. Let me walk you through hour by hour to show you the temperatures here. Again, we're shy of 50 in Cleveland, but there will be 50s on the board with mostly clear skies. Overnight watch, we'll see a couple of clouds move in. Wake up temperatures will be in the 30s, around 40, but then more clouds start to build back in through the afternoon. There will be more cloud cover around noon. Temperatures, though, look at this. We're in the 50s, so we're gradually warming up here, especially as we head through the afternoon tomorrow. Mid-50s, so looking good. Potentially could see even a couple of 60s on the board for your Friday. Going to be great for any outdoor plans just because won't be worrying about dodging those rain chances, and it will be warmer. Ahead of the front that comes in, we'll be pushing 60 on Saturday. Rain looks to move in late day. Could even see some shower activity close to dinner time, and some of the weather models are bringing in a rumble of thunder or two, so like a November thunderstorm. As we head into the weekend, though, after that system comes through, that's going to change the temperatures, bring back the winds for the Browns game. It is going to be a typical November Browns game. Cold and windy, but oftentimes that does us a favor when the weather's a little more gross. It seems to. Statistically, I need to look into the math behind it, but it'll definitely be cold at the game. Could be a stray shower or two. We're gradually warming back up, but staying cool to start next week, but we'll have some sunshine mixed in there. The opportunity for some lake effect rain showers for the beginning part of the week, and then we will bring back our next system that comes in the middle part of the week. We'll talk a little bit more about this weekend system coming up here in the next 10 minutes.